Now in this problem, I'm balancing chemical equations. One of the things we need to do is not only balance the equation, but use the physical state subscripts. So the first thing we have to do is find out, how do you write sodium bromide? With sodium, you have Na, and with bromine, Br. Now Br has a -1 charge, bromine has a plus charge, so this will be written as NaBr. And it says it's solid. Now it's ionic, so yes, it's solid. And so we're going to mix that with chlorine gas. So with chlorine, remember chlorine's diatomic. You have to write it as one of the diatomics. And on the periodic table, it's written as a gas, room temperature. And the other thing we need then, it's going to produce sodium chloride, Na, and once again, we have sodium, which is a plus, we have chlorine, which is a minus, so there's just going to be NaCl, and bromine. Now, if you notice, bromine is also a diatomic. But what is the state of bromine? You look at the periodic table, and you see it's listed as a liquid. Sodium chloride will be a solid, a nice ionic compound. So now we need to balance this. So we go with our normal balancing, and we write down all the elements that are in the equation, Na, Br, and Cl, and we do that on both sides. Na, Br, and Cl. So we have our chlorine. And we start with, hey, on this side, 1 sodium, 1 bromine, 2 chlorines. On this side, 1 sodium, 1 chlorine, and 2 bromines. So what do we need to do to get this worked out? Well, 2 chlorines on the reactant side. I need 2 chlorines on the product side. I'm going to put a 2 out in front of there. That gives me 2 chlorines, but it also gives me 2 sodiums. Now, in order to get 2 sodiums on the reactant side, I put a 2 there. That gives me 2 sodiums, but it also gives me 2 bromines. If you'll notice, now there's 2 on every side. So to balance this equation, we only needed to add both those 2's, and we are done.